Wheels America is sponsored by Grundy Insurance. Today on Wheels America, we look at two of the greatest legends in American sports cars. We explore global design with Fiat Chrysler. We discover a lost Nomad. And we'll take a look at more of the greatest cars ever made on Wheels America.
Hi, I'm Rich and I'm going to tell you about my car. This is a 1956 Chevrolet Nomad. It started out as we pulled it out of the back of a man's house and we had to get a bulldozer to pull it out. We only kept the VIN and the top. So we started out with a Jim Myers racing 4-link frame. We have a 9-inch rear end, a 572, which was actually a ZZ620 with about 650 horsepower. We then put fuel injection on it, and the horsepower is now adequate. It's probably someplace between 700 and 800 horsepower. We have Budnick wheels on it. We have vintage air. We have classic instrument gauges on it. The top, as you can see, the hood tilts up, tilts forward, and all the plumbing inside is custom. It's a very nice car. It's a one-only car. You'll never see another one like it. It's taken us over 10 years to build. The paint job, it's a brandy wine and tuxedo silver. The interior is done by Finish Line in California by Byron Roebuck, who's one of the top upholsterers in the country. I'm Rich, and that's the story of my car.